Today's mini lesson is all about editing. Today we're going to focus on editing punctuation, spacing, and capital letters. We have been practicing using correct spacing, capitals, and punctuation. Today we will be editing and checking for all of these parts in our writing. So here's an example that I created. At the top of the notebook, there is a sentence. And in this sentence, there are some things that are wrong. The things that are wrong are underlined in red. So I'm going to read the sentence as is, including all of the mistakes. We bought a big dog house. We bought a doggy bowl. As you can see, the beginning of this sentence has a lowercase letter. Sentences always start with capital letters. In the word bought, the B is capitalized. It is not a proper noun, so therefore there should be a lowercase b used. If you look down at the words big and dog, there are no spacing. So it makes it look as if big dog is a compound word, but it is not. So there should be a space between the word big and dog. If you look at the end of the word house, there should be a period to end that sentence. The second sentence, we bought a doggy bowl. There should be spacing between doggy and bowl because those are two separate words. And the sentence should also end with a period. At the bottom of the page is how the two sentences should look. We, with a capital W, bought, with a lowercase b, a big dog house, with spacing between the word big and dog. And the sentence ends with a period. We bought a doggy bowl, with spacing between the word doggy and bowl, and a period at the end of that sentence. To help with spacing, you can also put your finger between the words. For instance, where there is the word big and the word dog, if you were to put your finger there, that tells you that there is just enough space for you to start writing your next word. So, all of you are going to check all sentences to be sure that they start with capital letters. Check all sentences for punctuation. You're going to make sure that sentences end with periods. If you're asking a question, the sentence ends with a question mark. And if you're using an excitement tone for that particular sentence, you're using an exclamation point. And you're also going to check sentences for spacing. You can use your finger to help make sure that you have just enough space in between all of your words. Whenever you are writing, you should always reread and look for mistakes. Always look at the beginning and the ending of all sentences.